Hi guys, what's up? My name is Law and I am on the PhanaticMC server, and I want to do a short video on how to do or use shopkeepers on the server. So the things that you need are some villager eggs and some chests. That's basically it. All this is just accessories for it. So what you initially want to do is just place a chest. Double chest works the same way. And then equip your villager egg. And now what you want to do is just right click on the chest and then right click on any block you want. It can be a bit far, but not too far, like you don't want to put it over there. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be putting it right in front of the chest. And there you go. There's your shopkeeper. And now using the shopkeeper is, I guess, a bit more complicated. You want to open the chest, just normal right clicking the chest, and then put in the stuff that you want to sell. Okay, so that's that. And how you edit prices is going into the shopkeeper editor. You go into the shopkeeper editor by shift right clicking on the villager, and there you go. And there's all this stuff you just put in the chest. And then how you do this is actually very easy. To increase the quantity of what's on here, you just left click, so now it's going up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to decrease the quantity you want to right click, so right clicking it makes it less. And if you want to go, well, let's say, because I want to sell a stack of stone for a diamond, so you shift left click to increase the amount by 10, and that just makes it a lot faster. And then since I want to sell this for a diamond, I click on the diamond, just clicking it. You can't drag it in there. Just click on it and then click below it. So this row is like where you put the items, where you put the items you want to sell, and then this row is the payment. So you can increase the payment too. So if I do that, I sell a stack of stone for 2 diamonds. And I could just go do that again. Now, as you can see, if you don't edit the price for these items, they won't show up in the villager menu. So you have to put your price in there. So just sell that for diamonds as well. What? Okay, and then just increase the price. So I sell all these for a stack, a diamond. And then it shows up in your menu. I like to also mention that you can only put up to 8 types of items in here. So, yep, just 8. And then for these things, the anvil lets you set your shop name. So if I wanted to name this something in particular, which it doesn't really have anything like a category to it, I'll just name it random. Oops, caps lock is on. Random, because I sell random stuff. It'll appear there on top of the villager. And this wool block lets you choose the way your shopkeepers look. So changing it to white, changing it to purple, or black. So that's it. And to delete the shopkeepers, you go back into your shopkeeper editor. And then there used to be a fire block here to fire the villager. Get it? Okay, so what you're going to do is just click on that empty area. And then boom, your shopkeeper's done. Well, gone, but yeah. And your items will be there still. Okay, so let's put that back. So there's that again. But since I reset the shopkeeper, it also resets the settings. So do that again for the sake of this video. And then I'm going to show you how, because I know you've seen a lot of other shops have witches in them. And so what you do is right click, shift right click on an air block. And then it says you selected witch right down there on the chat box. And then you can do the same regular procedure for that. These two are basically the same, although if you go into the shopkeeper editor for this one, you can't really change the appearance on it because, well, it's a witch. But it also carries the same amount of items and the same options, really. You can just do the same left clicking and right clicking to increase and decrease the amount. and then there you go. But to delete shopkeepers, please be careful, because you could lose your shopkeeper if you delete the chests first before you delete the shopkeeper. So always remember to delete the shopkeeper first. Like, for example, boom, the shopkeeper is gone forever. And that's basically it. Now I have my friend Tamba right here, and she's going to demonstrate how to use, well, how owners use the shopkeepers when people buy stuff. So boom, and now she's buying stuff with a diamond. And then now, if someone buys something, you can just go into your chest, and then now she bought a psych stone for a diamond, and your payment goes in there, and boom. That's it.